So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and show you, this is my portable alignment machine. Basically all I'm doing is I'm going to wrap this around the back wheel, okay, and bring it to the front. And what I'm trying to do is I'm going to line up this wheel with this string off the back wheel to make sure that it's straight in line. I'm going to do it on both sides. This way here, it's as close as I can get it to where it was when it was aligned. So when you're driving the car, from the time you pick it up to go get an alignment, it's not wearing out the tires. Okay, so basically what I'm looking at, let me see if I can get you there, is it's straight across the back tire, but now when I hold it here, hold on, let me raise it up. Get it up higher. So what I'm looking at is I'm flush with the tire here, but over here, let me move you over. Over here, there's a gap. You see? I can push the string in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the tire rod end till this tire comes out and touches this string. Then I'm going to check the other side as well. I already have the steering wheel centered in the car. Let me get this as straight as I can. Okay, so I'm going to check the other side now. I just want to check. Okay, so there I am. Okay, so there we are. It is running. Power steering pump's not making any noise. It is nice and quiet. So there you go. Rack and pinion in a Buick LaCrosse. Thank you.